So guys, here is the Nissan key and let's get inside. Press this button. Even a Mustang appear here at the piston wheel shop out of nowhere. So guys, even a DC Avanti is here to
Rider, buster, you need it. I'll bleed it. Even off a parking bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement.
Hey yo, what's up everyone guys, and welcome back to another vlog people. So today I am here at the piston wheel store to show you a very cool car. It's the 350Z from the FNF Tokyo Drift. It's not the exact one which was used in the FNF, but it's the same model from the Nissan which was used in the FNF movies, you might be knowing. So it was here at the piston wheel store for a wrap. So it was orange before, so it has now got aqua blue wrap done on it, specially by Team Piston Wheels. So yeah, let's get inside the piston wheel store. So guys, this is their piston wheel store and let's get in. And yes, I'm seeing the beautiful 350Z. It's right in front of me. Here is the Nissan key and let's get inside. So yes guys, right now I'm sitting inside the 350Z and let me show you its interior. It has got this tan brown leather interiors, and basically this is the interior of the car. So, and yes, you've got this Z on the steering wheel, or yes, it is a automatic gear car. Here you've got those climate control and AC controls. Here is a pretty basic media system player, and here you've got those meter which indicate the battery voltage and the oil amount of oil. So yeah, it's a pretty good interior. Here is the handbrake. Here you've got the sparking lights. Here are the AC, I guess, AC settings. Yeah, AC settings for the seat, and there's a little bit gap here to keep something. If you go for shopping and all those, you can keep at least like 2 to 3 bags. So yeah, and here is the very detailed Z on the windshield of the converting. And yes, this car is definitely a convertible, and that's what great about this car. Like, imagine you're cruising on Sundays in this, pulling up in a car meets in this JDM car, and you've got this drop top down and with the JDM music playing in this car. Like, it's absolutely definitely a weekend plan for car guys like me. And yes, here are the seat settings. Here are the AC vents for the driver. Yes, and you've got to take a look at this. This is specially written in Japanese language, so it indicates that it is a real Japan import. So guys, right now I'm sitting inside the 350Z and let's get this thing started. And here is the key. So this is how the key looks, and let's get this thing started, and I'll show you like how the cold start of this car is. So be ready to hear it. Whoa, check out that rumble and in the cold start. Like, definitely you gotta hear this car in person. So right now I have my big bro Ajay sitting right now. So let's rev it, bro. I'm super excited and nervous as well. Whoa, whoa, man, this thing is a complete beast. Whoa. You've got those small tiny pops and crackles. If you hear it clearly, I'll just rev it once more. Whoa. So they recently wrapped this car in aqua blue color. Previously it was in orange kind of shade. So they do all the kind of wrapping thing, the modifications, tuning, remaps and all those kinds of thing here in Tathode. So their workshop is here at Tathode. So guys, let's get the roof up. So basically the button needs to be pressed continuously until the roof closes down. the roof has been up locked successfully. So yeah, thanks bro Ajay for helping me, because it was my first time to do roof converting of any convertible car, and thanks to Piston Wheels to providing me such a beautiful opportunity. So let me show you some other cool features of the car. So basically this is a very cool feature of the Nissan 350Z. Let me just show you guys. So when you press this button, check that out. Whoa, that's so cool. You've got this Nissan branding coming up on the LED. Like the maximum RPM is like 8000 RPM. Like you can imagine how fast this car is. And let me just tell you a bitter truth of the car. The car gives you a mileage of like literally 3 km per liter. Like you can imagine like having a V6 car like of 3000 cc, and it's giving you a mileage of 3 km per. It gives you a proper JDM feel. Like the songs of the Tokyo Drift are running in my mind right now. Like at the starting of the week, yo, it's giving me that vibes. So why not play the JDM songs? So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, I'm sitting in a 350Z, a JDM classic, and Tokyo Drift songs are playing. A huge shout out to Piston Wheels for providing this beautiful opportunity to me. So yeah, I'm just amazed, I'm just blown up. So guys, let's play the 6th stage from the FNF Tokyo Drift. Yo, the music has started. Yep. At the starting of the week, negotiations taking down. Guys, check out this beautiful Morris Minor with the Coca-Cola theme. You can see the Coca-Cola branding done right there. This car is so beautiful. You've also got the Coca-Cola branding on this side too, and you've also got this a small can on this side. Like so guys, even a DC Avanti is here too. So the owner has came in this DC Avanti to pick up his newly wrapped 350Z, and so here it is. Guys, even a Mustang appear here at the Piston Wheels shop out of nowhere, and another Avanti is here guys, check that out. Whoa, literally we got 2 Avantis and a Mustang.